Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassie. Starting tonight, really and through early Wednesday morning, we're going to see very cold conditions, but the coldest of it is going to be tonight through Sunday morning, Sunday night through Monday morning, Monday night through Tuesday morning, and while Tuesday will be cold, thankfully, at least it won't be as cold as possibly 20 and 30 below zero for wind chills, but these are the three coldest time periods for us over the next few days. And because of that, we do have a cold weather advisory in effect for all of eastern Iowa tonight through noon on Sunday. So that means wind chills can be anywhere from 20 below to as low as 35 below for our far northern areas. Frostbite can be hit in as 10 minutes or less. You might be wondering, the cold weather advisory, you may not have heard of that. That's the same thing as a wind chill advisory. What the National Weather Service did is change the terminology just to say, you know, it's obviously the wind chills are going to be the big story here, but it's just going to be cold, right? You see cold weather advisory, cold weather warning, same thing as a wind chill advisory and wind chill warning. So that's just for future reference. Criteria remains the same, just different terminology. Regardless, as you can see, going to be very, very cold. And the big reason for that is the strong northerly flow. This air originated actually on the other side of the planet in Siberia, made its way through the North Pole and is now dropping through the entirety of the United States. And we're seeing more of that strong flow at the surface, gusts up to 30 miles per hour, sustained winds at 10 to 20. They do die down a little bit tomorrow night, but that is going to pick back up during the day on Monday. So let's talk about these wind chills because they are the biggest story, obviously. When you go to bed tonight, or as you're going to bed tonight, you're going to notice that, yeah, we're already below zero, double digits below zero for our northwestern areas. It's only going to get worse. You wake up tomorrow morning, as I mentioned, many areas at least 20 below, could get as cold as 35 below for a few select areas. During the day on Sunday, not going to see much relief. Going to probably feel double digits below zero for the entirety of the daytime Sunday because those winds will continuously be strong. Sunday night, as I mentioned, the winds do die down, but it's still going to be very cold, especially for our northern and north central areas. It still could feel at the high maximum or on the warmer threshold, if you want to call it warmer, around 15 below. Then for Martin Luther King Day, during the day, around 15 below to 5 below during the daytime, and then once that sun sets, we're going to drop back down. And temperatures for low temperatures will be the coldest Monday night. And even though the wind's not great, with low temperatures Monday night expected to be double digits below zero, any little bit of wind will make it just brutally cold, and you can see more widespread 30 below zero, and that's where we could see once again that chance of 35 below zero. And then we'll finally warm up on Wednesday, but these next few days are going to be the coldest air of the season so far, and hopefully the coldest of the season, period. So for tonight, those low temperatures below zero, but of course the big story is going to be those winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour, putting those wind chills as low as 35 below. Then for tomorrow, high temperatures, with it being in the single digits and strong northwesterly winds, that wind chill will be anywhere from about 20 below to 10 below. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Even though we'll see some sunshine, certainly not going to help highs in the single digits. Tuesday night will probably be about 15 to 20 below at the coldest, so it's on the fringe of alert day. Still going to be very cold, but then notice the jump of temperatures. Tuesday night into Wednesday afternoon, it's going to jump 30 degrees. And then we don't look back. Obviously not incredibly warm, but a lot warmer than we're going to be seeing. We'll be in the low to mid 30s for high temperatures really for the rest of the 10-day. And for those that don't like snow, it's not going to see it anywhere time soon around here. No snow or really precipitation over the next 10 days.